Yes, happening. Yummy, yummy sweet potato fries. Come on, girl. Look at this magic. Oh my god, I'm excited. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, God. There's my soup. Oh no, everything's coming out so fast. Coming out. Yummy. I love sweet potato fries. It is a cheesy sauce. I thought it was like a, what you call?
Like mayo, spicy mayo.
Yeah, like something like that. This is that hungry nerd sauce. Let's try it. Yummy, yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. This one is the cream corn with cheese. Super hot, so it can wait. And then I also got this one. Look at the little cute little flag. These are bacon wrapped sausages in cheese. Oh, I can't wait to bite into that one. Okay. I ordered one more little dipping sauce. That's a cheese sauce. I thought it was something else. This is the mushroom soup though. I want to try some solid cream sauce. Try that with the fries, but let's have soup. Oh, that's yummy. Little piece of yummy garlic toast with it. Oh man, oops. Try. So delicious. It's really yummy. Oh man, this soup is really good. Good, strong mushroom flavor. Try this creamy sauce now. That tastes better. Is it? I know. Because I have to taste everything. These fries are huge. I mean, I got pretty big hands. I really love sweet potato fries, and I can't find them often enough. Look at that. The hungry nerd sauce is good.
Spicy? It's
Like
it's
little
salsa.
tiny bit.
Is it like salsa? Because I feel like it smells like salsa.
But it's like they took tomato and mixed ketchup and mixed salsa in it maybe or something. Like I can taste the ketchup, but I can taste the spicy. I don't know, it's really good though, I like it. Okay, we have to try these before they get cold. With ketchup, I don't know about that. We'll try it without first. Just a good old crunchy onion ring.
You can take it.
Okay, try it with the white sauce. I feel like it's gonna taste really good with this sauce on it though. Funny enough, it tastes best without the sauce. This is the bacon wrapped sausage and cheese. Oh my, yummy. Look at that. That's happening. With the sauce. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's good. The cheese is like super melty. I think it has that nerdy sauce in it because I can taste it. And the bacon. Oh man, just look at it all. And the sausage. Oh, it's all good. It's a good sausage. Look at that. Oh, and cheese. Everyone loves cheese. I think it's time to get to this beautiful thing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, yummy, yummy. I forgot one. Like, I tried everything except I forgot the cheesy corn dish. So let's put a lid over here and a spoon right here. It's still pretty hot. Okay, let's try. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love it. Pepper? That's really good. But it needs pepper. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I ate a piece of garlic bread, right? Yeah. This is a different kind. This is cheesy toast. I don't know, that tastes oily. The garlic bread is better. I think the dressing on this is this dressing, salad cream. It's a one bite salad. Salad was good. Some very clean french fries. Ketchup. But we'll try it. It's good gravy. Kind of peppery. Yeah, it's good. Let's eat some steak. Oh. Oh my god, look at that. Try it in this gravy. Look at that cheesy corn. Whoever came up with cheesy corn, good idea. It's definitely rare, not medium rare. So excuse me. Look at that. We'll put some gravy on it though. It still tastes delicious. Let's try it with the Happy Nerd sauce. Was that what it's called? Yeah. I don't usually dip my steak in sauce. That sauce is so good. I don't even know how to. Just yummy. It's more of the oily bread. I don't know what it is. It just doesn't. It doesn't have that same, like the corn is really delicious. They're little Hungry Nerd mineral water bottles. No, right? It's all really good. My favorite's probably the cheesy corn. I won't lie. I really do love corn though. Juicy, pumpy, yummy corn. Starting to understand the gravy and steak thing. It's really good. Yeah, definitely rare. So, I suggest if you order your steak, order it one level more done than you want. This is nowhere near medium rare. Still good though.